Hey there, welcome back to Young Founders Club. In today's video, we're diving into 15 business ideas you can explore within the construction industry. Whether you're skilled with tools or interested in the business side of things, I'll also be sharing some tools and resources that will help you get started. So, stay tuned and check out the links in the description for some helpful products you'll need along the way. The first idea is residential remodeling. With more people opting to upgrade their homes, the demand for this service is huge. You can start small by focusing on tasks like painting, tiling, or flooring. If you're interested in home remodeling but need a bit of guidance, check out Home Advisor, which connects contractors to homeowners looking for your services. Next up, commercial construction. Whether it's office spaces, restaurants, or retail, there's always a need for new commercial projects. To succeed here, networking is key. Building relationships with local developers or real estate agents can land you big projects. For managing these large projects, Procore is an essential project management tool that you can try. It keeps everything organized from start to finish. Green building consulting. Now let's talk about green building consulting. With the push for sustainability, offering eco-friendly building solutions is an excellent niche. You can guide clients through green certifications and energy-efficient construction options. If you want to get started, consider getting certified through LEED. For finding eco-friendly construction tools and materials, check out some links below. Construction project management. Project management is another rewarding field. As a construction project manager, you'll oversee everything from planning to execution. For tools, look into Buildertrend or Co-Construct. Both are industry-leading project management software that makes it easy to track budgets, schedules, and client communication. Specialty trade services. Specialty trades such as plumbing, electrical, or HVAC are always in demand. These require specific skills and licenses, but once you're certified, the earning potential is substantial. Make sure to get licensed and stay updated on local regulations. Tools like Jobber, which is a field service management software, can help you keep track of your jobs and client interactions. Construction equipment rental. Equipment rental is another booming sector. Not all contractors want to invest in expensive equipment like bulldozers or excavators, so you can capitalize on this by offering rental services. Maintaining your equipment is crucial, and for managing rentals, check out tools like Quiply, a software that makes equipment rentals easy to track and manage. Home inspection services. Home inspection services are always in demand, especially with real estate on the rise. Get certified as a home inspector, and you can start charging for your services. Tools like Spectora can help you create professional reports for clients. Plus, it's a great way to get your foot in the door with real estate agents. Construction cleaning services. Construction sites need to be spotless after the work is done, and that's where construction cleaning services come in. It's a low-investment business with huge potential, especially if you focus on post-construction cleanups. All you need are basic cleaning supplies to start. If you're serious about scaling up, check out Jobber to manage appointments and invoices. Landscaping and outdoor construction. Landscaping is a natural extension of construction, offering everything from garden design to outdoor kitchens. Seasonal demand can be a big factor, so make sure to plan accordingly. Check out tools like LMN for managing landscaping projects and clients. Building materials supply. Becoming a supplier of building materials, such as cement or lumber, can be lucrative. You'll need to build relationships with local contractors to supply them with high-quality materials. Check out Buildertrend, which can also help manage your supply chain more effectively. 3D printing in construction. 3D printing is a game-changer in construction. You can specialize in creating custom parts or even entire walls and structures with advanced printing technology. This space is still evolving, so the potential for innovation is huge. Consider tools like Tinkercad or Autodesk Revit for getting started with 3D designs. Construction safety consulting. Safety on construction sites is non-negotiable. As a safety consultant, you can help businesses ensure their sites are up to code and free from hazards. Look into certifications like OSHA to boost your credibility, and tools like Safety Culture can help you manage safety inspections and audits. Virtual reality for construction planning. Virtual reality in construction planning allows clients to see their projects in 3D before the work begins. You can create 3D models and simulations that bring blueprints to life. Platforms like SketchUp and Twinmotion are great starting points for offering VR services, construction blogging, or vlogging. If you're more into content creation, construction blogging or vlogging could be your niche. Share tips, projects, and advice while monetizing through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. You can use WordPress to create a blog or start a YouTube channel for vlogging. If you want to start a YouTube channel, a great place to start is Matt Parr's training course. I've included links to some of the best affiliate marketing platforms to get you started. Real estate development. Real estate development is a longer-term investment, but the rewards are significant. It involves everything from buying land to building and selling properties. You'll need solid market research and financial backing, but tools like Zillow and Redfin can help you stay informed about market trends. That wraps up our 15 construction business ideas. Whether you want to manage projects, create content, or even get into 3D printing, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to check the links in the description for all the tools and resources I mentioned. These affiliate products can help you jumpstart your business journey. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.